This video is going to go through the settings in Android that will allow you to get the optimum use for you, the way that you want to use it. So there are many different settings. You will find them in More Apps and Settings. And so, for instance, the basic is just simply renaming it. If you want to rename it with your school name, number 1 or whatever, you can do that. You can have a theme. So currently the theme is what you see on our homepage. But if you prefer an education one, and this is I think this is a very good one. And we'll go back to the homepage now again. So you have a different educational setting with apps that are relevant to the school setting, and of course we have the PC here, so if we just click that, it brings up the internal PC. So I think that's a very good change to make. And again, we'll just go back to the settings. Of course, when you change it, they're much easier to get to. So we have theme, we have wallpaper. So if you want to have different wallpapers in the background, you may have them. Wired network and wireless network are self-explanatory. You can connect to whatever networks that you want, as you would with your PC or your phone or tablet or whatever. You can also have this as a hotspot, so your MiTouch interactive touchscreen, once it is connected to the internet, it can be used as a hotspot to share to other pieces of equipment. And again, Bluetooth, which is pretty standard. Power management, if you want to give it energy saving modes or various modes, it's all in here. Channel settings, I think, is a very interesting one. So what you may want to do is you may not want it switching off, and so obviously you can then change that to off, so it never actually goes into saving mode, because a lot of people, they don't want to walk away and then find that the screen is shut down. But that is a facility that by standard it will shut down within 5 minutes. Power on channel. Now and again, if you have all your programs on the internal PC, you can set that to be your initial startup screen, or an external PC that's on one of the HDMI ports. Currently it's on the Android, so this is a very useful place, Android settings. Security settings, you can have a look at that. It's making sure that people cannot change the apps and passwords and so on. And most of the rest of these are not critical for what is required to change. You're pretty well all going to use English, I believe. Date and time should be set accurately on the London time, and it's set to auto. Voice system information, well, that'll just tell you what you have in your MiTouch screen. So you might want to know, somebody might ask you what's the specifications of the MiTouch screen, and they are here. And again, if an update is needed, you can either get the update and do a local update or reset factory settings. But I would urge you, before you do that, call us. So it may be something simple. Very often a reset is not what's needed. So thank you very much for having a look at this quick demonstration on these settings, and there are some there that are very useful, mainly the channel settings, and I would suggest the theme. I would change it to the educational theme. Thank you.